In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Valorant Cannot Change Username. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your Riot server status. Go to status.riotgames.com, and if servers are down, you have no other option but to wait for Riot to fix the issue. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and wait 30 days between username changes. You can only change your username once every 30 days and wait and try again later. Again, if that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and restart your Riot client and your game, or even check your internet connection. If you're using any kind of VPNs, please avoid it and restart your router or modem. You can also click the gear icon in your Riot client and check for updates and install any available updates. You can also go ahead into the Riot client and then click the gear icon on Valorant and select repair and wait to complete the process. If you're using any kind of VPN or proxies, as I already mentioned, please avoid it. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your account restriction. New or restricted accounts may have limitations as well. If nothing works, simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the game. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.